Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very excited to bring you what I think is an immensely interesting ADA Cardano update. We are near a breakout point. We will be doing some technical analysis and talking about what I see happening both short-term and long-term and kind of some price targets I have my eye out for. So if you like the sound of that, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads because we will be doing cryptocurrency news and technical analysis all throughout this bull run. Guys, we have been calling it so amazingly good on this channel the last few weeks. All these major coins pumping, vechain, Zilliqa, Ethereum. So guys, this channel is going to become mandatory viewing content all throughout this bull run, so make sure you stay tuned. Guys, I think we're seeing continuation of a cup and handle pattern here where we broke out of. I've been talking about this for a while, so we've been following if you've been following the channel, you would have gotten tipped off to this. Cup and handle, especially such a macro one such as this, is extremely bullish, as we can tell because prices seems to be just exploding parabolically. Now, very interestingly here, let's actually zoom in a bit more. Look at the 6 hour. Okay, I believe we're forming a descending triangle here / wedge, where we're very likely. Oh, that's Messin calling me. For those of you who don't know, Messin runs a channel with me. Make sure whenever he makes a video, you guys like and subscribe because he's been doing real good, guys. I've been mentoring him, and I kind of took him under my wing, and to see him kind of grow and start to really flourish, it's just awesome to see. So make sure you guys send him some support because he's been I've been mentoring him, kind of teaching him the way, teaching him the ropes, and it's crazy how quick that guy catches on. He's got a bright future, so make sure you like his shit. Okay, guys, moving on. I think very interesting things are going on with ADA. I think we're near a breakout and likely to see a very big move very soon here. So guys, if we look at our technicals, the volume, so our technicals are kind of contradictory depending on the time frame here. The MACD, RSI are telling me different things, but interestingly, the stochastic bullish crossover here twice, and it seems to want to go up here right near an apex. That's very interesting as well. Look how low the volume is. If we get a sudden spike in either buy or sell volume, that'll be very telling for what way we break out, because we're near an apex right here. We're likely to see a breakout, I'd wager, within the next few hours here. Let's see exactly when. Yeah, because we're looking at a 6 hour chart. Yeah, within the next half day here, we're likely to see half day here. We're likely to see a big move with ADA here. So we could look at our technicals, but honestly, since we're at an apex, I think just price action is key. So just to kind of explain what's going on here, okay? I did a Fibonacci retracement. We retraced all the way back to the 0.5, so we could potentially be done retracing here. Now, if we break down from these green lines here, okay, I believe we'll just move sideways within this descending triangle and then break out somewhere around here. Or if we break out at this point here, I think we're likely to trend upwards and find temporary resistance at 39 cents. If we zoom out here some more and take a look, this peak here I expect to act as resistance just under 39 cents. So if we break out, the bottom line is, to put it simple, guys, if we break out of this red line, start to close above 33 cents, I think it's just a matter of time before we test 39 cents. If we can break above 39 cents, I think we're going to 50 cents, and I'll show you why here. If we take the length of this movement, I think this has the potential to be some kind of bull flag. Oh, that's not what not what I wanted to do. Anyways, assume a breakout here. This would take us to right about 50 cents, assuming this is a bull flag, and assuming we do indeed break out here. Now, something interesting, guys. I've been utilizing these pitchforks more and more, and they're extremely interesting. So I think we're also likely to move within the boundaries of this apex upwards if indeed we do break out. Okay, so we can see here how price has been kind of respecting the lower extremities of this pitchfork. So if we break out here and start to enter the green, that's a very good sign. If we can close in this green here, I think we're tackling 39 cents. If we can break above 39 cents, I think 50 cents is happening soon after as well. If we break down from these green lines here, I think we're likely to just trend within this descending triangle. Support being at around the 25-26 cent mark. That's where around the 50 EMA here, is on the 4-hour. Looking at the hourly, yeah, see, that's where around the 200 EMA is on the hourly. Guys, another thing we need to keep in mind is Bitcoin dominance. I always talk about this because it's actually very important. Bitcoin dominance being the total value of Bitcoin in comparison to the total value of all cryptocurrency. And whenever Bitcoin dominance rises, the alts suffer. Whenever it falls, the altcoins benefit. And something very interesting to note about Bitcoin dominance is it's kind of trying to pump up right now, but it's up against significant resistance with kind of this ascending triangle situation going on with Bitcoin dominance. We can see how it got rejected before, and assuming this wants to go up a little bit more. If we see another rejection, even now, if we make like a lower high, see another rejection, fall down further, the altcoins will definitely benefit. Another thing to keep an eye out for is the DXY, the dollar. This is literally the value of the dollar. As we can see, it's been crashing as of late. Whenever the dollar benefits, other cryptocurrencies, whenever the dollar crashes, other currencies benefit, including crypto. So these are some things we need to keep an eye out for to understand what the altcoins are likely to do. You know, if Bitcoin dominance all of a sudden skyrockets, near an apex, I would wager, okay, maybe that would be another factor that would lead me to believe that ADA could break down, because ADA is an altcoin, right? So, guys, if anything interesting happens with these cryptos, we'll definitely be talking about it in our Discord group. Link to join that will be down in the description below. Guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We've been calling it so insanely well on this channel. Now, before I leave as well, something to note, I believe as long as we remain above the 100 EMA on the hourly, we're likely to remain bullish, because as we can see here, last time we tried to break down, yes, we found support here on the 50 EMA, but really it was kind of the 100 that gave us that support that we didn't fall below. And given that the 100 is right in between these two green lines, kind of like the support levels of this wedge here, I think the 100 EMA is going to act as critical support if indeed we do break down. If we break down below this 100 EMA, I think that's what's going to form this kind of wedge situation into more of a descending triangle. And again, if we break out, if we look at that, it's trying to go up. Let's zoom in before we wrap up the video here. Oh, that's super interesting, guys. If it breaks out, we're going to be talking about it in our Discord group. Link to join that down in the description below. Follow our Twitter. Follow our Rarible store. We created an NFT store. Link for all that will be down in the description below. Give us a follow and all those things. Really appreciate it. That's it for now, y'all. Take care.